Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin. Environment Canada has issued a significant pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for southern Saskatchewan at 3:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. A wind warning is issued for the City of Saskatoon, Prince Albert, Sherbrooke, Spiritwood, Duck Lake, Martinsville, Warman, Rossfern, Delisle, Wakaw, Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore, and Kindersley, Rosetown, Bigger, Wilkie, Macklin.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour sud de la Saskatchewan à 15h29, heure normale du centre, le mardi 19 janvier 2021. Un avertissement de vent est émis pour la ville de Saskatoon, Prince Albert, Sherbrooke, Spiritwood, Duck Lake, Martinsville, Warman, Rossfern, Delisle, Wakaw, Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore, et Kindersley, Rosetown, Bigger, Wilkie, Macklin.
Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for southern Saskatchewan at 3:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. A wind warning is issued for the City of Saskatoon, Prince Albert, Sherbrooke, Spiritwood, Duck Lake, Martinsville, Warman, Rossfern, Delisle, Wakaw, Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore, and Kindersley, Rosetown, Bigger, Wilkie, Macklin.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour sud de la Saskatchewan à 15h29, heure normale du centre, le mardi 19 janvier 2021. Un avertissement de vent est émis pour la ville de Saskatoon, Prince Albert, Sherbrooke, Spiritwood, Duck Lake, Martinsville, Warman, Rossfern, Delisle, Wakaw, Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore, et Kindersley, Rosetown, Bigger, Wilkie, Macklin.
Weather conditions at 3 p.m. Saskatoon, mostly cloudy, temperature minus